got a gift basket.
Do we?
I mean, it's not much of a basket.
You already started to open it.
I did.
Let's see. I should film it.
Well, we got some Swedish fish.
Ooh.
A high visibility vest.
Should I wear that when I'm walking around?
Some Whoppers.
Oh, see, those are for you. Oh, the Swedish fish are probably for you too.
Some Gojo. Some car air fresheners.
Ooh.
There's a note in here too. There's more car air fresheners.
I should probably read the note.
Huh?
I should probably read the note. Mail time with Fran. Dun, dun, dun.
This is just a small late Christmas gift from one of your YouTubers, Adam S. Steve, you get the vest and the lotion. Oh, it's lotion. You must wear the vest at all times to remain visible in case one of the guys shanks you and dumps you in the forest. The lotion is for when you are editing. The rest of the guys get refreshed car clips. Keep the awesome vids.
So the Whoppers and the Swedish fish are for you?
I mean, that's probably a given. You have to just, I guess, wear this.
I don't want to wear it. They can see me better now then. That means
we have to dump you in the... We have to stab you.
Actually, I have to use those when I film at track, like at the track.
Oh, here you go.
Sweet. Yeah, they like make you wear them to be media.
Gojo's skin lotion for moisturizing hands.
Dicks.
Smells like dick. Already. Predict.
That's pretty funny.
What scent are these? New car. Are they all the same?
I always wondered, do those really smell like new car? Like, how do they smell?
No, you can't ever. You can't duplicate the smell of a new car.
Because it's like the plastics and the leathers and everything. The smell.
They don't have smell-o-vision, so...
It smells like Febreze.
Let the camera smell it. Hey, buddy.
Well, that was Fran's first mail time. If we get more, we're going to start having to do a little intro.
Was that the first one?
Yeah. Well, I mean, people sent you stuff, but like never like
Who sent me a bunch of Whoppers before?
Chords, wasn't it? No, who?
I don't remember.
This was a while ago. I'll have to go back and look. Thanks. Sharing is caring.
It is.
Circle D sent us popcorn.
They do every year for Christmas.
Yeah. We didn't get any this year.
We got, oh no, not from Circle D. New Car sent us the cookies.
That's right.
Big thing of popcorn. Remember, it was like 10 different kinds. Yeah.
And like cookies and peppermint things.
I guess we didn't spend enough this year.
Damn.
Or they just didn't do it. That was probably expensive, too.
Those are expensive. Yeah, we'll make you a mail time intro.
We just have to get more mail instead of like once every year.
It's gotta be like really corny.
Today on Fran's Mail Time.
And then Holly, obviously, they sent us all those shirts.
Yeah.
That was kind of a mail time. All right, new segment. Thumbs up if you want to see more mail time with Fran. That means people need to start sending you stuff.
That's fine.
For mail time, send it to this address.
Maybe they can just Google the shop address.
Yeah, it's the shop address.
I don't have like a P.O. box.
No.
That is all.
Thank you, Adam S.
Yep.
His YouTube name is here.
I didn't even see that. I guess he said in a previous video that
He was sending us a care package.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did see that.
Tyler said it too.
Yeah.
I was like, I didn't see that.
It's pretty cool. Should I wear this and then give some air fresheners to Tyler? I look so official. Hey, buddy.
Where do I need to take it? How long will it last?
So you found your vest.
I got a high visibility jacket.
Yeah, it's in case we kill you and throw you in a ditch somewhere.
Apparently. Here's some air fresheners for you.
Air fresheners for me?
Yeah. So your truck probably stinks.
Oh, is that it?
Okay.
So we should probably explain why Tyler's doing the headers now. Eric is sick today. Ha! We didn't even make fun of him recently for it.
You gonna turn on the radio? I know you want to.
What?
Turn on the radio.
Yes, I have to. So yes, apparently Angry Eric is sick. Starting off the new year like he does every year. Angry and sick. Did you already start the clutch, or is the clutch already done?
Clutch is already done.
Okay.
Eric had that done before we left.
Oh, okay. Well, at least that was nice.
So, the only thing that's left is these headers.
It's 2-inch joints.
Yeah.
So I guess if people start sending stuff in, we'll have a new segment called Mail Time with Fran, and it will be like really corny game show music.
There you go.
Today on Fran's Mail Time.
It means you'll get all kinds of just stupid random things.
Yeah.
Man.
We'll just insert it into each video as soon as we get stuff. Well, you keep at that.
Okay.
And I'm gonna move some cars.
Yeah, fun with that.
All right, thanks.
Make sure everybody sees you. Don't
I'm
get
gonna
hit.
wear it. I'm gonna wear this thing. Do it.
Showroom too bad.
Yeah, Bill loves it.
Huh?
Too late. Too late.
Well, if I make a 3-point turn, it's gonna be even worse.
What's up, buddy? Good boy.
Jack's just dropping his car off and doing some videos, Zeus. It's okay.
So, I mean, just literally being surrounded by all these cars is absolutely awesome.
Zeus, you smell his dog, bud?
Yeah, he does. Yeah, he does. He's stoked. He's like, yeah, man.
He wants to go.
What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Good
So
boy.
we just did a big video of Jack dropping his car off. We're going to take a quick look at it because I did not film, but we will be filming his build as we go along.
Yes, we will. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be great.
This is his Atomic Orange C606. It is bone stock. Nothing done to it.
In the stockest form. Check this thing out. I mean, when I first saw it, I was like, okay, it's a stock car with, you know, somewhat decent miles on it, but I didn't really think anything too much of it. And the previous owner actually treated this thing like, you know, his firstborn child. I mean, it's just mind-boggling. I mean, even like the alternator, it doesn't even have any corrosion on it, or any sort of staining or anything. I mean, it was literally so babied. He literally had just gotten it detailed before I picked it up. It's an 07. It's the 3LZ Z06. I mean, even on the rockers here, there's like no chipping or anything. So really excited about it. Had it for a few months. Picked it up just for time for winter, of course. And then aligned with Race Proven to get this thing. Heads cam, package B3 cam, all that good stuff that you guys are very used to viewing on the channel. So you guys are going to be able to see this thing basically go through its progression over time from completely stock baseline, installation, and then final tune as well. So hoping to be somewhere around the 600 wheel horsepower mark. Definitely upper 500s, which is, it's going to be awesome. I can't wait.
We'll wrap it. We'll make sure it stays inside like all of our cars.
Yep, absolutely.
So
Absolutely. I can't wait to see this thing unfold.
Good job, Tyler. Look at that, he even cleaned it. It looks presentable now.
I did. I cleaned it.
You did?
Yeah.
Man, look at you.
I couldn't take it anymore.
Where was I? Why didn't I film this?
This was yesterday.
I wasn't here.
Yeah, I cleaned like the fender wells and the power steering thing and the not the valve covers, the coils and shit on this side, and then he still had to do the injectors. So when he did the injectors, he cleaned the intake and all that stuff. I cleaned like the hood and both fender wells, and I couldn't take it anymore.
It was bothering me.
I, it,
Good job. Look at you.
couldn't take it.
You get an A for effort.
B plus.
Yeah, the hose is still a little dirty. Cool.
Yeah, I didn't care about that. It's not dirty. It's just how they are.
Yeah.
I cleaned under the hood. And
Good job.
I know.
You get a cookie.
I patted myself on the back.
Yeah, I bet you did. Hold on.
That's not my back. Funny thing about my back is
I'm not gonna.
name the movie.
What? That's not my back?
The funny thing about my back.
Fine.
The funny thing about my back is that it's located on my. I'm not even telling you. You got to figure it out for yourself.
I'm lost for once. That was a rhetorical question.
Steve, here, I'll show you.
Here's my light bulb. Ready? Let there be light.
Oh, look at you.
The funny thing about my back is it's located on my cock.
Super bad.
Yeah.
What's that from?
Super bad.
The funny thing about my back is that it's located on my cock.
I just don't remember that line.
How do you not remember that line, dude?
I don't remember the line.
You're worthless.
There's so many lines in that movie.
Yeah, and that's a good one.
I know.
Spends all his time watching movies.
That's a good one.
It is a good one.
So you suck.
You're back.
So yes, this thing's low on the dyno now?
It's allowed on the dyno now. Yeah.
Oh, I hear him coughing already. God. Welcome back, buddy.
Jesus Christ.
So welcome back. How you feeling there, buddy?
Not good. Not good. Better, but not feeling good.
Well, the blower is officially on. It's good news. We are going to make a custom intake for it, so that will take a little bit of time, but it is coming along as planned. So everything else is done. Stay tuned. So, all done?
Close.
Good job, Tyler. Picking up Eric's slack.
There's a monkey in the window.
Yeah, I know, so.
Making a lot of intro videos there, Steve.
Not so much intro, just making things look nice, you know? A little rack and focuses. You don't know what any of that is, it's okay. It's okay.
I really don't care either, to be honest.
Camera nerd and stuff.
Okay.
I do like that. It looks nice. It's a nice touch. See our Juan. Someone said I had to talk more like Anger Eric's mom.
I saw that.
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
Eric!
God. I did see that comment.
Go to work. Stop being sick. I didn't raise you to be a.
Yep, I saw that comment. I saw the one guy said something about we should have got his package by now.
Yes, that was the one we just opened. so miserable.
What's that?
I said you're so miserable.
Dude, I feel miserable.
You look miserable. He just looks how he usually does. He's lucky I didn't make a post on his Instagram about him being
I'm
sick.
surprised you didn't.
I feel miserable. You know I feel miserable, so you just want to push my buttons.
Yeah, you're lucky I didn't make a post about you on your Instagram. There,
Well,
buddy.
go right ahead, buddy.
No, you're back at work now. It's not as funny.